What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So the plan for this morning is to tackle this other fender on the MG, get a whole patch panel built, and then move on to the next thing. So let's hop in here and get started. So this is where we're starting with this other fender. Basically got to cut that all out and create a new panel. So we're going to bring it all the way up to where you guys can kind of see the shiny part up in here. But it all needs to be redone, so should be fun. So got that patch panel on that front fender done. Struggled with it a little bit, but finally was able to kind of get it back into shape and, you know, where we needed it to be with a little help from the English wheel. You know, overall, I'm really happy with the way it ended up. Like I said, it kind of fought me there for a little bit. But, you know, that's all part of the game, learning as you go and having fun with it. So I walked away from the experience actually
learning quite a bit about what you can get away with as far as shaping metal and being able to bring it back and, you know, moving it around as need be. You know, obviously you don't want to overwork it so that you have to remake everything, and I was like that close to having to do that. So it ended up, you know, working out really, really nice. I'm super happy with the panel. Yeah, and you know, ready to move on to the next task, which is the nose cone. You know, obviously there's a lot of work to be done there. There's probably half-inch thick worth of Bondo on there. So that'll be nice to get off and start working in some new sheet metal there. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Like I said, every single day is a great learning experience, and I get to move a little bit further down that path. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. It means a lot to me. Catch you next time.